Hi, I'm James McLean. I'm the Chief Exec of Land and Water Group. I've been in the construction industry since the day I left school, and I've been spending some time looking closely at wastage in our industry, and I'm appalled by what I see. And I think we need to open the dialogue on attacking waste to drive down our carbon footprint and our race to net zero. Our core values at Land and Water define the way we behave and set out our responsibilities to each other and to our business. Our core values of empathy, respect, collaboration, passion and excellence, and crucially, honesty and integrity set out the way we behave. We can't be true to our core values if we're not prepared to look at wastage as one of the ways we can improve our business. At Land and Water, we pride ourselves in being able to have conversations about anything that might make our business better. So we thought we'd do a bit of warts and all, show some bad examples of wastage in our own business, and hopefully that can inform ourselves, our supply chain, and perhaps even other contractors as to areas to look to try and improve waste. So let's start with some really scary statistics, because that always gets everybody's attention. In front of you will see the turnover figures for the top 20 construction companies in the UK, starting at the top with £80 billion a year, and then we're going to look at the profit margins of those businesses. And the scary thing is that the profit margins of the top 20 for the period 2020 and 2021 are at 0.93%. It's probably better to have the money in the bank. So there's been some research done in America by Bechtel and in the UK by various research divisions, including BREEAM and Construction Index, looking at wastage across the business. And industry tells us that the wastage in UK construction is between 30 and 38%. Every pound we can save not wasting our time, our energy and our resources cascades to the bottom line. So I don't understand why an industry is happy at 0.93% and we're not having the debate about waste. So recently we had a training day for the bright young sparks in our business. I asked some of the guys what areas of wastage could they see in our business? And I was astounded by what they could see and the simple moves we could make to try and attack that 35%. We identified 8 key areas that we thought were easy wins for us to attack. The first is about planning and coordination. The second is about how we use materials and resources on site. The third is about packaging. The fourth is about how we work with weather and not against weather to keep efficiency. The fifth number is energy. Energy and idle time and fuel. We're then going to talk about damage and abuse, and I mean abuse of equipment and working conditions. And the seventh is about quality. It's about right first time, and it's about avoiding rework. And the eighth, and the most important, is about our time as human beings and how time is a resource, and about what our respective responsibilities are to make sure we're using our time as efficiently as we possibly can. So drawing from that list of 8, we're going to look at 4 key areas in these next short videos and help us focus on how we can attack wastage around these items. We're going to look at damage and abuse, energy and fuel, planning and coordination, and important above everything else is our time as a resource, people's time.